Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and we've got another unboxing video for you. And this time we're following directly on from the last video with some more Dungeon Mayhem. This is the battle for Baldur's Gate. So here we are with the cards. As you can see, it's only a small box, this smaller box than the last one, let's put it that way. So let's open up and see what we have. It's basically two more hero figures, no, two more hero characters rather, and we can then use this as a 6-player game by all accounts. So the new heroes in town are ready to throw down. Minsk the Ranger and his hamster sidekick Boo joined the shape-shifting... Oh, I've forgotten something. Never mind. I was going to do something then, but I've forgotten all about it. Ah well. And then we have the shape-shifting druid Jahira in this expansion. It's basically two 28 card decks, 2 hit point trackers, 2 hit point tokens, 2 reference cards and 6 damage tokens. So let's open up and have a look, shall we? There we are. So we have this. What I was planning on doing is, when I mentioned about the pet hamster, I was going to have Ollie at the side of me with Minstrel and let Minstrel run across the camera, but I forgot all about it. Never mind. Plus the fact he's asleep as well, so it's not very nice waking him up for this. Okay, so basically that's it. So you've got Bear form and Wolf form you can get for Jahira. So that's what we have for that, and we get our tokens, character tokens and health tokens. Now let us have a look at the cards themselves. So here, bump. Start off with what's his name? Minsk, is it? Minsk the Ranger and his hamster sidekick Boo. So that's his health track and his card information sheet. So let's put that down there and we can have a look at the cards then, and then follow on as to what the extra cards are, or what the tokens are rather. So we have, shown in the first video, I've gone through all these other ones. I'm just going to look tell you about his mighty powers. I'm not going to look at any of these other than the mighty powers. So we'll have a look at the cards, and so far they're all very basic powers. The mighty powers must come later. Go for the eyes, Boo. I like that. No. I thought that was one of the first mighty powers, but it's not. There we go. So that's the first of the mighty powers, the telescope. You can draw a card from the top of each opponent's deck. That's handy. And then that one, your cross swords cards deal 1 bonus damage this turn. So if you play, for example, that, it would mean 4, not 3 damage you would get. There we go. And finally, the HP one, each player gives the hit point total to the player on the right. There we go. So that's Minsk and Boo. And this time we've got t'other one. What's her name again? Jahira. Or something along those lines. And we'll do the same again. We'll look through the cards and I'll tell you about the mighty powers. The Bear paw, or that one, is basically if in Bear form you recover 1 hit point, and if you're in Wolf form you deal 1 extra damage. Sorry, I didn't realise I was off camera then. So we have different ones in this one. This was quite an interesting character to play. So we're looking out. Oh, love it. Ah dear. Right, so that one is you may make an animal noise to deal 1 extra damage to each opponent, or to damage each opponent rather. Interesting. And that one is you may play a form card for free. So there we are. And it says here you can only have 1 form card in play at a time. So you can either go with wolf form or bear form. It doesn't make any difference which one you play, but you can only have 1. So that is Jaheira and Minsk with his little woody boo. And that is the Battle for Baldur's Gate Dungeon Mayhem expansion pack. I hope you've enjoyed it. Very quick video, but nevertheless, it's there. I'm just glad the thunder's kept off while I've been doing this video, because it's thundering quite nicely here at the moment, and the rain is coming down in buckets. Literally speaking, the buckets as well are coming. No, no, it is raining quite heavily, but yeah, there we are. 1 more expansion to go as so far, and I'm hoping to get that in a couple of weeks. So we'll see how we go with that one, and that's going to be a nice box to hold everything in, plus more cards. So that'll be good. But for now, that's all we have time for, unfortunately. So until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.